is Aaron from One Side Zero. Here we are at the Culture Training Center, where we are be able to experience the toughness of the HONOR X9c. As you can see over here, there are 3 colors are going to be available upon the launch. And besides that, we have tested through 4 scenarios, from hitting through the nails, dropping from 2 meters height, putting in on a hot pot, and using water jet on the phone. And the phone seemingly still survived without any issue. Everything seems to be operational. And besides that, this is what HONOR promises, whereby you can get 365 days front and back crack replacement, 180 days one-to-one replacement, and a guaranteed 36 months battery assurance, which means after 36 months, the battery will still hold as if it is a new phone. Moreover than that, it also features the latest HONOR Magic OS 8.1 with Magic AI and Eye Comfort display, featuring a 1.5K OLED display. This time around, they do really have the dual speaker for all your entertainment needs. Last but not least, you also get a 108 megapixel OIS camera, which allows you to shoot at high resolution. Now, we have not done the full review, so this is just an overview and a preview of it, of what this device is capable of in terms of the toughness. So that is pretty much about it. My name is Aaron. Please subscribe to us, and I shall see you in the next one.